In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money and process some food and be able to store it for long periods of time without spending any money on energy. So today we'll do turkeys. 3 weeks before Thanksgiving, you can get turkeys for 50 cents at places like Sam's. A week or two after Thanksgiving, you can get them even less, 30 cents. Well, these are my 30-cent turkeys. I bought 5 of them, approximately 16 to 19 pounds each. You will process these turkeys frozen, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a pressure cooker. Now, I use an American pressure cooker. They are the best. I believe there's no gaskets, things like that. Plus, you got to get a canning book and watch YouTube videos how to prep your canner, how to prep your bottles. It's very easy. I'm not going to waste time on this because there's millions of videos on YouTube. You're going to take your canner, you're going to clean it. And what you're going to do is the first thing is you're going to put vegetables into it. Take your pick, whatever you got in your refrigerator. Okay, this particular case I used onions and some celery. I throw a little lemon in there and I throw them at the bottom. Okay, a little bit of oil if you'd like on the bottom. Then I use canning salt. I always use canning salt. You can buy it, it's not expensive. And put whatever you want in your Cajun sauces, whatever you want to put in there. And I put a little pepper in there. And then I take the turkey frozen, the frozen turkey, an 18, 17-pound turkey, and just pop it in there. I do try to take out the bag. I don't want that bag in there, and I take that up, but I throw everything in there. Then I get my pressure cooker, I prep it, put it in a canner, and in Ohio, it's going to be 10 pascals for 90 minutes. That's the magical number, 90 minutes. It comes out. There it is. Take it apart with your hands and just throw them into a container. And of course, you clean the bones and throw the bones out. And whatever is left, you're going to have a pile of gook, including all the other stuff. And usually that's the stuff that I will blend up. I'm not throwing this out. I'm using everything. And I'm going to blend that up into a nice blend. I put my chicken, mixed the white and dark, put it into a container. Now I kept some out of this one. Generally, a 17-pound turkey will yield you 7 quarts. I put the other stuff into the pot because I'm going to do hot. You can do hot canning. I'm going to do hot pressure cooking. So I kind of boil it up, and I'm going to put whatever I have into my jars. And this particular, usually it's 7 jars, and I kept some, but that's 5 jars. So that's how much liquid I had from it. The liquid's going to depend. I use a blender, and I blend it up pretty good. And these blenders actually will heat it up. Then I put it back in the pressure cooker and cook it for 90 more minutes. That's the last one. It kind of fell over. I can fit 7 of those in my jar, 7 quarts into my pressure cooker. I then put them into my can. I put them into my cans. There's my 5 cans in my first batch, and I put the lids on them. And you gotta set them aside for 24 hours. These will last in your basement for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Usually they're gone within like 8 months, and you can put this stuff on pasta, on rice. You could put it in salads. You could put it in soups. Whatever you want. It's going to cost you almost a buck, less than a buck a jar. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Have a nice day.